Attention-grabbing. Extremely loud 110 decibels alarm helps wake, alert homeowner or renter. Helps deter intruder and possibly notifies neighbors. Audible up to 600 feet, 185 m, away. User-friendly versatile 3 adjustable settings. Off, alarm, chime. Chime mode is ideal to alert you when children or guests are coming and going when you are at home. Alarm mode features 30-second activation delay to prevent immediate false triggering, but sounds immediately when doorknob is touched any time after the initial 30-second delay. Portable. Perfect for home travel. Home. Entry doors, bedroom doors, houses, apartments. Travel. Hotel rooms, dorm rooms. Easy installation, works during power outages. No wiring needed. Requires 3 XAAA batteries. Not included. Simply hang the alarm on the inside of your door handle. Perfect travel alarm. Reliable. Backed by 40 years in the security industry and developed by the #1 pepper spray brand trusted by police and consumers worldwide. ISO 9001 to 2008 certified. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. Lock is easy to put over our patio handle. It is sensitive and loud enough to hear around the entire house.